What's good, Ghost Gang? This your boy, Ghost Fighter 2Ts. Hey, I'm triple, double, quadruple uploading. I'm just trying to get these videos out to the masses. So this is what I had to do. If you can't read it, I had to what? Yeah. See that? I paused my game to be here. Let me know if that ain't a lit t-shirt with the best controller PS5 has ever made. I love it. If y'all don't know, if all my OG subscribers know, I'm a graphic tee guru. So here we go. Let's get into this unboxing. You'll see the thumbnail, you'll see the title, and we're gonna get into it. I don't know if I'm saying this right. Sensynee? Could be wrong. Let's unbox this bad boy. I got this for my daughter. I'm sorry that she got camera shake. I'm hitting the glass table. But this is for my daughter. She's taking up esthetician right now to do hair, nail, no, I'm lying, not hair. Facials, eyebrows, makeup, beauty, wax armpits, booty cheeks, and all that stuff. So let's get right on into the unboxing. Let's see what it comes to offer. Let's see. So oh man. So it comes in this. So the presentation is not that bad. It looked like it's a carrying case for it. Okay. Let's see what else we got in here. Pretty straightforward and simple. Got the light. Yes, sir. And the little stand with the instruction manual. So let's get right on into it. There's nothing else in the box. I know people, what else is in the box? I know I'd be curious to see what else is in the box too. I don't know, I'm weird like that. So here's the manual. Sensynee. It's a 10-inch ring light with tripod TR50 by Sensynee. And it shows you how to set it up, which I generally never use instructions. I might have to with this video. Put that to the side. Just got a little card, I guess, to contact them for support. Okay, they're already starting off on a good foot. Oh, lit. It comes with, look guys, it comes with the remote to hit play. So I'll probably be using this for my videos as well. Comes with the remote. That is sick. So it got, on the remote it says iOS and Android. So it has a setting that's for iOS or Android connection. That's lit. That's lit. So there's the controller, which I wasn't even expecting it to come with that. And I'm pretty sure my daughter didn't do all her research to see what all this camera does anyway. But we'll digress because my daughter a rookie. She's a rookie. So you see it has expandable little clips, and this moves up and down. It has different levels, so there's that. And I like this so much that I'm probably gonna have my friend order me one. So when my daughter needs hers to go, if she's doing a video or whatever she's doing, I'll have my own. Plus, it's time for me to upgrade mine anyway, so I have my friend order me nothing. Shout out to him, my boy Formula. So this came out of that, and that's more plastic. And then here's the ring light. Okay. I'm not sure. Okay, so you gotta plug something into it, but I think it's touchscreen. Look, it's touchscreen. And I think that's once you plug this up into a source, which I have a power bank that I can use to charge and make this work. And this will then, therefore, hey Sierra, run and get me a charge bank real quick. So there's that. And then there's, please. Then there's a charge cord right here. It's about, I'll say about 6 foot. Either a 6 foot or a 7 foot cord. So you plug that in there. Oh gosh, I'm about to break it already. That ain't a charge box. A battery pack. The battery pack. Why are you giving me that look like you don't know what charges a phone? Like, what's wrong with her, bro? Like, this is not rocket science. All right, come on, let's open this part up. See what all contents come in this. Ooh, man, they packaging the way they did it was nice, man. So, bam, right off. And bam, right down. And it had a hook. It has a hook to hang it when you're not using it. You fold it in and you can hang it with the hook. But you can go like that. And it has like 3 little settings. Now, this doesn't seem as big as the one I have. It doesn't go as far down as the one I have. But it will get the job done. I feel like the quality they use for this one, they probably could have used these same poles for every angle of it. Maybe a little bit thicker up here. Just from my experience of the one that I own. But there you go. And then you can tighten that in place. And then you can put this up here. I never use directions, bro. Bro, I don't know about y'all, but I like using Legos, bro. Like, I've always been a Lego person. Oh, something needs to be tightened here. So it tightens underneath here. And it tightens there. And then it has a little tightener here. And then you can move it around. Oh, hold on. You can move it around. I'll be using this. I'll probably be using this for to sit on the table just because of the height that it is. It's taller than mine, the one that I have, so I can kind of angle down. But that's what it looks like. And then this is the light, and I'm not sure exactly. Oh. I didn't figure that out yet, but I guess you use the ring light and then you put the phone somehow inside of this. Okay. Now my brain is starting to be used. Thank you for bringing. That is not a charge box, Sierra. I'm talking about the power packs that you can plug your cord in to charge your phone. They're sitting all by my computer. They're power packs, not a charge box to charge a stick in the wall. So I think you push this in there like so, right? And then you screw, I'm so smart. And then you screw this down here. And there you have it. Yeah, charge pack. And then you push this in here. And then, because I have my phone, you can put this on that, like so. Bam. And you can see. Let's see. Then you can see the chart. Then you can see, boom. That's basically how to be set up. And then I'm gonna show you with the light on. I'll show you with the light on. So let's see if I can get this to work. Here you go, power pack. If you guys haven't invested in these, this is like one of the best things you can invest into. So you see if it's on. See? Bro, I'm so smart, bro. I'm so smart! Power pack, 30,000 milliamp battery. This thing will last for a whole week if you needed it to. It'll charge your phone like 20 times. I love these things. I love technology, bro. So, there you have it. You see what it looks like with my phone. You see the bottom of it. You see my red shorts, but that's what it looks like. This is the back of it. Yeah. Yep. And there you have it, man. So that's it for this video, man. If you guys want to order this, I kept it to the end of the video to tell you where I got it from. I got it from Amazon. And I'll have links to where to go order this from on Amazon if you want to order one like it. You can see who it's by, but I'll have a link that you can go straight to the order where I got this one from if you guys want to purchase yourself one, you ladies or you men, whoever. So you cut that off. And I think this is intensifier. Look. And it's touch screen. That's sick. Boom. Whatever. Boom. Boom, a dimmer. Oh, and it got different hues. of lighting. I'm so smart. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, man. I hope this video helped you in deciding whether you want to get one of these machines. But yeah, it's a Sensynee 10-inch touchable ring light. Get it from Amazon. Pretty sure you guys can find it. I'll still have links down in the comment section for you guys. I love you guys. I'm putting out these videos for you guys to enjoy, for people around the world to see. We're on our way to 28,000. It feels like in my voice I'm getting sick. So right after this video, I'm gonna jump over there to the kitchen and I'm gonna take me some medicine. I love you guys. God bless y'all. See you in the next one. Peace.